Hello everyone, this is Mala. Today we're gonna try to do assignment 3 of Python with the PLP. So on our assignment says this will create a function name, calculate count price, the parameters price, calculate final price after applying a discount. Function price count as a parameter if discount is 10% or higher. Apply the discount, otherwise return the original price. The calculate discount function prompts the user to enter original price and the discount percentage, print the final price after applying the discount, or if no discount was applied, print the original price. Try. I find the Git editor much more easy for me, so I'm gonna try to use it. But you can use any edit. You can use this code if you find it comfortable with you. I'm just enjoying this Git and Vim relationship. So let's go read discounts. Just as it and by creating the file. Discount function basic. So let's prompt it. Let's use I'm gonna make it global variable. This one variable. Which is price. For the price, we're prompting the user to enter the price. So I'm putting on float because it's the money. You know, money. Let's see. So the price. And then I'm gonna give it whatever I want discount, making discount percent. I'm making it as a global variable. I can make an integer percentage from the percentage. And then C plus. Okay, and then function define you wait for function is def, and then the name of the function they say calculate discount, calculate the discount. So it must have the price as a parameter, so price. Then also discount as a parameter, and percent includes. So this the calculate a function discount, let's calculate the final price. So we need to calculate it. So the okay, so then I'm gonna use the local variable. Just reminding myself or anyone else who's gonna use this code, just in push. I'm gonna name it new price. Then I'm starting that. Remember discount percent. Remember the one that we entered is greater or equal to 20. Let's do the calculation. The discount 10% to discount in your file count 200 and then you discount okay. Percent and then discount to discount percent times and this is a new price. This is the local variable price. New price is for the price minus discount, and therefore the print the discount discount is putting the discount percentage as for readability. Because I'm using formatting. New price is in rand. Thanks. Copy to work at print channel the percentage which is in the format again. Okay. So low the price using the original price. And you have to be kind to your customers. And then you should call, then you're calling your what create invoking your function name so that you can print. Calling your function, what's the name of the function? With the price and discount. Let's see. I'll put a comment. Is it is convention? It will put convention. Just say it. Creating this convention. We have a global variable which is slow machines, putting S just for in case, which is price and discount percent. The price is in float data type. It can have a decimal point. You prompt to enter it inside the price. Then you say discount percentage, which is integer. There's the whole number. Create, we define the function def, dfa, dff, def. Then calculate the discount with the parameter of price, discount percent. Then we have a local variable which is new price. Let's say if we're using an if statement here, if price, if the price, if the discount percentage is greater than is greater than or equal to 20, the we must calculate discount, which is discount is equal to discount percent divided by 100. Here I'm just put it in decimal with any 0 point something. Then we say discount is equal to 1% times price. So that price will be, and then the new price is a price, original price as a discount. Just give us a account. So we have this. I think I should share a page. Share page. I wonder if it's gonna run. Should run. Is it? Oh yeah, no, I use one inverted comma. That wondering why is doing me like this? Why is doing me should run? Okay, let's do it. Running so apply this thing. Then the discount is 30%. And this discount is 0. Remember, we divided by 100, which is 30% is 0.3 in decimal. And then the new price is 2,100. Thanks for shopping with us. Let us see if it's less than 20. It's gonna give us the same price. So 3,000. The percentage is say 19. The percentage is 19%. It's too low. The 3,000 is the original. Thanks for 3,000 is the original. But thanks for shopping out. People can say you can see that it's running and running. Just to verify my calculation might be wrong. You see the percentage. If the percentage is greater than 20, it is 30%. The new price is 2,000. To see if we check the calculator. Calculate discount. Say we say if 3,000 it gives us 2,100. Just the one that if the 50% and then the percent discount 2,100. So this one is right. For watching, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment just so that you can help people move to some ratings. Okay. Okay.